Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm John with Lawn Improvement. I'm having an issue in the front lawn. I have a little bit of a bare spot, and I'm gonna be repairing that today. So I just decided to tag you guys along. It's a simple, process that I'm gonna do. But I said, make a video of it. Maybe somebody will benefit off it. So yeah, let's get going. So today I'm going to be using a lawn edger, a simple tool just to make, a square around the affected area. And also I'm going to be needing a donor grass actually. So if you're like me, you probably have a little piece of area that you don't mind taking, a piece of grass off it. Or, you could just go out and buy a piece of sod, whatever the case may be. But yeah, just something to replace the affected area. This is the tool I'm going to be using, lawn edger. And today I have this piece right here on the side of my shed that has, a little bit of good grass. I don't really pay mind to this side, but there is, a little nice patch right here that I'm going to be utilizing. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. I believe my neighbors are getting some type of work done to the septic tank. You can smell it in the air, but thank goodness you guys don't have to deal with that. I'll take one for the team. So I got a little bit of a break here to show you the little patch that I'm going to be working on. So this is my front lawn area, and as you can see, it looks okay from far. Then we go to here and we have this little section here that has been bothering me, and I threw some seed down. I tried to fix it up, but it was just a little bit too late, and I've been busy. I haven't been watering it, so it hasn't germinated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a piece of turf from the back and then just drop it in here and call it a day. So I also wanted to mention that I have a little bit of everything here: Kentucky bluegrass, perennial ryegrass, and tall fescue. And Kentucky bluegrass usually spreads out. As you can see, there's some rhizomes under it, and they're actually coming up. If you can see right here, let's focus a little bit. That one right there, this one here. But, it will come up with time, but I do not have the patience, so I'm gonna do it now. bit out of breath here, but I'll survive. So what I basically did is cut the same piece, the same size as the donor actually, than the one that we're gonna replace in the front. So this is the one that we're gonna be replacing. This is gonna be the one that we're gonna be replacing with. This is the old one. As you can see, it's a healthier turf, you know. And one thing I noticed, you know, the ground was harder here. The sprinklers, I obviously, you know, they don't reach all the way back here, and I don't really mind. I got one head over there in that corner, and then the other head right over there where I got my finger, so it doesn't really reach all the way over here, as the tree's kind of blocking it. But I mean, I believe this is turf type, a little bit there with Kentucky blue, a little mixed in, and yeah, this thing has been holding up. So the next step is pretty much, you know, drop it in. There you go, the finished product. You know, I'm happy with it. And that note, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, just a little, you know, thing that I decided to do. You know, I wasn't gonna tape it, you know, videotape it, but you know, I mean, what the heck, you know, maybe somebody would benefit off it. Let me know in the comments below. Is this something you would do? Is this something stupid? You know, whatever you guys have in your head, let me know in the comment section below. Have a great weekend. Also, it's Father's Day weekend now, so I want to give a shout out to all the dads out there. And I'm a new dad. Actually, my daughter just turned 1, and really excited about that. She gives me happiness all day, every day. So shout out to all your fathers out there. Peace.